Morning, children. Children, we are revising the chapter force. As a part of the chapter force, we are learning about. We learned about the what is the contact force. Normally, contact force is the force, okay, which is exerted by the physical contact. That means the force which is exerted by the touching of a object, touching of a thing is called as a physical contact. And here this contact force are of four types. That is the muscular force, frictional force, normal force, tension force. Muscular force is the force which is exerted by the muscles. Frictional force is the force which is exerted by the friction, that is the opposing force of an relative motion of an object is called as a frictional force. Okay, normal force, it is a force which is exerted perpendicularly in the upward direction of any object is called as a normal force. Tension force, normally tying of an object with using a string or a wire is called as a tension. Okay, the force which is exerted by the string or a wire is called as a tension force. And next we come to the non-contact force. Non-contact force is also called as the field force. Non-contact force is also called as the field force. Okay, children? Right. Here, non-contact force means the force which is exerted by an object without the physical contact. Without the physical contact. The force exerted on a body without the physical contact is called as the non-contact force. Okay, non-contact forces are also there. That means normally non-contact forces are gravitational force, electrostatic force, magnetic force. These are the non-contact forces. Okay, here non-contact forces are gravitational force, electrostatic force, and as well as the magnetic force. Gravitational force, electrostatic force, and as well as the magnetic force. Okay, a gravitational force, okay, the force which is exerted by a body between any two objects. The force which is exerted between any two objects. That means here the force between two persons is also called as a gravitational force. The force between any two bodies in the universe. Okay, force of attraction between any two bodies in the universe is called as the gravitational force. Normally the force of attraction between a tree and a fruit, that means a fruit and a ground, it is called as the gravitational force. That means force of attraction between any two bodies in the universe is called as the gravitational force. Next, electrostatic force. Normally electrostatic force is the force which is exerted. Okay, it is the force which is exerted, okay, by the transfer of charges. Transfer of charges means when we rub an object, okay, after rubbing, if you bring the charged, that means the rubbed body near the uncharged, that is which is not rubbed, then they get attracted. Okay, that means here we have seen a balloon rubbing with a scrubber is an example of the electrostatic force. Okay, balloon rubbing with a scrubber and bringing the balloon near the pieces of the paper or the pith balls, okay, that is thermocol balls, then we get what that force is called as the electrostatic force. Okay, and here in the same way, next we get the magnetic force. The force which is exerted by the magnets. Okay, magnetic force is the force which is exerted by the magnets. That is the magnets in the sense magnetic substance and the non-magnetic substance. The force which is exerted between the magnetic and non-magnetic substance is called, or two magnetic substances is called as a magnetic force. Okay, children, that is a magnetic force. Okay, right. Okay, the force which is exerted by the magnets is called as a magnetic force. Okay, next we are having the keywords force. The push or pull of an object which tends to change the position is called as a force. Push. Okay, push or pull. Okay, that means you know what is a push. Okay, giving of a jerk to one side. Okay, is called as a push or pull. Contact force, the force which is exerted by the physical contact is called as a contact force. Okay, and here force at a distance or field force, it is the force which is exerted between any two objects without the physical contact is called as a what? Field force. Next, friction is the opposing force relative to the another object, or the resistance which is exerted between any two objects, okay, relative to each other is called as the friction. Next, muscular force you learn, gravitational force, magnetic, electrostatic. Net force. Net force means the total force acting on an object is called as the net force. And here next, magnitude. Magnitude is the greatness of the size of an object is called as the magnitude. Greatness of size. That means size. Size of an object is called as the magnitude. Equilibrium. Equilibrium means equal. Equal in magnitude. Equal in all the things is called as the equilibrium. Okay, children. Next, pressure. Pressure is the force acting per a unit area. Force acting per a unit area, or thrust per unit area is called as the pressure. Okay, thrust per unit area is called as the pressure, children. Okay, that's about the keywords of the force chapter, children. Okay, the remaining we'll be learning in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.